Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be washing a load of delicates on the delicate cycle, 2 sweaters and then 1 swim team swimsuit. So the detergent I have is Direct, which is a gentle detergent, obviously for each machines. Let's put that down. A magnet. Comes in a set of 2. 2 of them. I'll just use one, obviously, for viewing purposes. Set it there for now. Delicates, cold, tap cold, fabric softener setting, extrants. Okay. Magnet. Put it over the lid lock for starters, then once it actually locks, that is when I put it down in. There we go, now it's in focus. Same lid sensing process for every cycle except for tub clean and bulky bedding. Bulky bedding, it automatically fills up to the tippy top. Tub clean fills to the same height every cycle. As it sends to light load. For all of you who have ever used Direct detergent, you know its unique scent. The lowest water level it will ever fill to is right now. Maybe even a little lower, about just above the impeller. Man, that's really tap cold. Sorry, I had to get a towel. My hands, it's chilly stuff. That one blue sweater is really heavy, so the impeller motion's not really doing much to it, but the swimsuit And the brown sweater are going under. It would be cool if LG could implement a recirculation pump into their machines. Whirlpool does that, Samsung obviously does that. I don't want LG to get sued by Samsung. So, I was watching one of my videos, when I just uploaded, the Bloom Action one, and I turned on the closed captions, and it auto-generates them. So, whenever I went to say, LG is the best, Samsung is the second best, it thought I said, LG is the best, Simpson circumvent next. So that made me laugh. This is a good little soaking action and with a little bit of movement. Good cleaning. Just see right here, see the bleach is filling up. Slowly draining. we go. I think I figured out how to turn the brightness up. I don't want it to be too intense. Okay, I turned the brightness up on a video, and it was at nighttime. The video ended up being higher, it ended up being higher brighting than real life. Higher brightness, I should say. Brighting. What am I saying? Whenever I'm washing like just the two swimsuits, there's usually like a traditional rollover. There isn't much of a rollover here. I mean, it's there a little, but at least it cleans pretty well. There's a swimsuit over here. It's probably almost finished with the it's gonna be finished with the wash fairly soon. Milestone, weakest agitation it ever does. Yeah, there's definitely replicas a traditional turnover. So that was the end of the wash cycle. I'll do the start to the drain and spin cycle. Not sure how much you can see, it's kind of gross, all the dust that's back there. Oh geez, we've had it for 3 years. In 2 years we need to replace the hoses. That should be interesting. 2 years is probably when the next Mario Kart will come out too. Although in 2 years I'll be in high school, so not sure. Yeah, the suds aren't a problem. I put it on extra rinse. Here it's just a little bit of cool down, letting the suds settle. I'm gonna record about 20 minutes of video. Maybe 21 or 22. Sorry, I just had to do that. Now we'll do one of the 6 motions called filtration. This is where it speeds up into a mini spin before it really gets into full speed. Yeah, overall the load stayed balanced pretty well. Filtration is where it gets a bit of the water out before the actual spin cycle. So that was filtration. It's the suds, most of the suds done. on low spin speed, it probably won't get much faster than this. The max RPM for this machine is 1,000 RPMs, which is probably like 14-15 spins per second. This is much lower than that. Clockwise, even though on there it probably looks like it's spinning counterclockwise, but it definitely spins clockwise. And the end is going to cut out soon, so thank you for watching this, and I hope you have a great morning, day, or night. So thank you all for supporting me. It doesn't usually vibrate a whole lot, but it definitely does vibrate the machine. But it is really quiet. Definitely, even on the full spin speed, it's a very quiet washing machine. It's even, this right now is quieter than our old dishwasher. So just to show you how much it's vibrating, I mean, my camera is definitely vibrating a little bit. You guys can see it is vibrating. Oh, whoops. That came out of place, so yeah, you can see the brake action. So yeah, thanks for watching.